Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to render in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to have already your project that is ready. Otherwise, you can simply create a new project and start adding footage to it. So you can simply go to File, click on New Project, and then you can start creating a new project, or you can simply open an existing project. Now you will be able to start edit, add footage, add also like some text, images, etc. etc. Now, when you finish your editing, you will be needing to render your video to export it. And basically, all you can do is to simply go to the export menu. So from here, you can click here, and you will create a video, or you can export to device, or you can directly upload to anywhere you are. So here, I'm just going to click on create a video. Now we will have our export panel, and from here you will find this local. Here you are just going to choose the resolution of your video. You can also like have a higher quality if you would like. You depends on the frame rates of your your footage. You can just use the 29, etc. And either you can use advanced compression, etc. Now you can also go to uh, here, and basically you can simply go down, you can enable GPU, and you click on export. And of course you can just mess with the other settings if you'd like. You can either have like higher quality or lower quality, as we did. And now we click on export, and basically you can export with here or watermark, or it doesn't matter. And now this is the rendering process, so you will need just to wait for the video to finish, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and thank you, and see you next time.